RPGSHOW Lifestyle. Yes, I'm loving the packaging. It's very edgy and I love the color. It's really nice and sleek. So let's see what we got. So the wig is in here. I got a wig cap. Ooh, designer style. You know, RPG just always give me that very classy kind of, you know, that vibe, like when you buy a designer. Yeah, it's really nice. So this is basically just an invoice and information card to tell you what exactly your wig is. So yeah. Also, I got a thank you card. I got this bag that's branded RPGSHOW, and you can store your wig in here. I also got another bag, so you have options for storage, and that's everything that came in the box. We have a gorgeous Swiss lace front, tinted transparent Swiss lace front wig, and it's actually medium brown lace, but they actually went ahead and bleached it as well. These are my favorite wigs to get. They always look so good and so natural. So the texture is a silky curly, or silky wavy rather. Oh, this is so full and beautiful. This looks so good. It is a 16-inch. It's 16 inches. So it's a gorgeous like wavy bob. I love it. It's like effortless waves. Like it's really nice. It's a medium cap. Has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. It looks really good, and I'm just so excited to go ahead and try this on. Like, it looks so good, guys. It is pre-plucked in the front as well. You know, these type of lace fronts they melt in way easier into the skin and lays way flatter. And this is a glueless wig as well, so you don't have to go ahead and use any adhesive on it if you don't wish to. You know, you could just, like, you see there's an extra elastic band in here, so if you want extra security, you can get that. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the installation.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make.
I did go ahead and proceed to securing the extra elastic band on the inside of the cap to apply it, because that way if you decide to wear it glueless, like completely glueless, no adhesive, it will stay snugged in the hairline. As you can see, I even did a whole video on that, like where I used absolutely no glue, no got to be, and it was sitting perfectly on the hairline, and you know, it looks really undetectable. So you know, it looks really good so far. So I want you guys to bear that in mind, that you really don't need to, especially for like my beginners. However, today I want to wear this wig for a couple of days because it looks so good. It looks so good. So I'm going to be using my glue to secure this down. But you really don't need to. It is a glueless wig, so let me just make that clear. It's a glueless wig. I'm gonna just, you know, proceed to removing the excess lace on the ear portion, and make sure everything is in line. So I'm just gonna start with, you know, when I'm applying glue, I do it in halves. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean away the area, ensure that there's no residue or anything there, just ensure it's really clean.
Like an act of God, I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be what let it go, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I used to one that stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games I don't wanna play? I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple I can wrap my head around it.
So it is looking so good, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb it.
You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose, and I would choose you, babe. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign.
You see, I just love the body of this wig. What I'm gonna do though is get it wet. I'm gonna apply my same conditioner, water mixture, and I won't saturate it too much with the conditioner because I want it to kind of get back that fluff, which it will, I know it will. And this is one of the most beautiful kind of bobs to do that with, because when it dries down back with the waves more defined, it's just so gorgeous. What I can tell you, I have experienced some shedding a little bit more than I would like, so I'm letting you know for sure. Bear in mind that I did cut off some of the lace on the sides, and that will definitely accelerate it if you cut your lace and stuff. But yeah, I'm getting shedding, but it's not like excessive, but it's a little bit more than I would like. So you could even rock it just like this if you want, but as I say, I'm going to just redefine everything, get it really wet, and let it fluff up back after a while.
Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign. I don't wanna front.
It's definitely giving that effortless beach wave kind of vibe. It is so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. RPG Show Lifestyle. This is giving lifestyle. I mean, this is a perfect everyday look for me, at least. Definitely gym, going out, doing chores, grocery shopping, the whole nine. Yeah, it's giving lifestyle. So I feel like I couldn't have chosen a better wig for today, because I'm gonna be wearing this for the next couple of days, going to the gym and all. I love it so much, and as we speak, I'm actually going to head to the beach, so it's just perfect. Let me know what you guys think down below in my comment section. As usual, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to the wig in the description box, as well as the specifications, so please go ahead and check that out. I know when this dries down, it's going to be so pretty, and it's already so pretty as is. You guys, I didn't like make the parting too precise because I feel like eventually I'm going to do like that pull back look. Oh, that is just life. So shout out to RPG Show Lifestyle for today's wig look. It's a vibe. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Give me a sign if you wanna come. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come through.